Changing jobs isn't the real problem. The problem is what you do or don't do in between. Hi, I'm Alex. I help mid-career professionals who feel stuck make sense of what's next and build a career that feels right for them now. And today, I want to talk about 3 career-damaging mistakes that so many mid-career professionals make. And don't worry, this isn't me pointing fingers. I made them too. Number 3, ouch, that's the hardest. Mistake number 1, turning LinkedIn into just a CV. Let me guess if this sounds familiar. You decide it's time to find a new job. So, what do? You rush to LinkedIn, update your profile, polish every detail so it matches your CV word for word. Adjust your headline, maybe even add the green open to work frame. And then, with peace in your heart, open job listings and start applying. But then, what happens once you land a job? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Your LinkedIn goes back into hibernation until the next job hunt. I've done it, guilty as charged. But here's the shift. What if you used LinkedIn not just as a CV, but as a positioning tool? A place that shows your strengths, your achievements, the value you bring, the problems you solve. And no, I don't mean becoming a blogger or posting daily. Just from time to time, share something interesting, comment on a trend in your field, post a thought from a project you're proud of. Show your expertise in small but visible ways. When you do this, LinkedIn stops being a static resume and starts becoming an active career asset. It works for you even while you're not job hunting. You future-proof your career, you appear in more recruiter searches, opportunities start coming to you, and you stand out from all the other copy-paste CV profiles. Mistake number 2, the networking freeze. When we're employed, most of us don't network. We don't reach out, we don't engage, but the moment we need a job, suddenly the networking switch flips on. Messages fly, connection requests go out, coffees get scheduled. Been there, done that. But what if you treated networking as an ongoing habit instead of a rescue mission? It doesn't have to be heavy. Leave 1 or 2 meaningful comments a week on posts that genuinely interest you. Join a discussion in a professional group now and then. Once in a while, attend a conference, exhibition, or just invite someone interesting for coffee. I even ran a small experiment. I sent out cold LinkedIn invites with a quick message. Only about 10-15% accepted. But when I first engaged with people in the comments, had a real exchange, then sent the invite, acceptance rate 100%, 0 rejections. So the lesson is simple. Build connections before you need them. Let people see your face, your name, your thinking. That way, when opportunities come up, you're already top of mind. And yes, I've invited total strangers for coffee. And you know what? I've met amazing people, had great conversations, and expanded my network. People want to connect with like-minded people. Period. Mistake number 3, the paycheck trap, also known as golden handcuffs. This one's the toughest. You know deep down the role you're in doesn't fit anymore. It doesn't play to your strengths. It doesn't feel meaningful. Some days you catch yourself wondering, is this really what I want to do until I retire? But the salary is good. The perks are good. The company is stable. You tell yourself, I should be grateful. Most people would dream of a job like this. Or, it's too late to change. That's the paycheck trap, the golden handcuffs. Here's the reframe. Instead of convincing yourself everything's fine, lean into that discomfort with curiosity. What parts of your job drain you? What energizes you? When does time disappear because you're actually enjoying the task? Think of it like shoes. Let's say you got a nice pair of loafers. They look good, they're not terrible, but they pinch your feet just enough that on long days you're miserable. You tolerate them because, well, they're fine, but wouldn't it be better to find a pair that actually fits, that looks great and feels right? So you try on different pairs, walk around, test them out until you find the ones that truly fit. That's how career exploration works. You don't quit overnight and throw your security away. You test, explore, and make strategic moves until you find the role that fits who you are today. So, those are the 3 mistakes. Turning LinkedIn into just a CV, freezing your networking until it's too late, staying trapped in golden handcuffs. I've done them all. Chances are you've done at least one too. But the good news is, once you see the pattern, you can break it. Your LinkedIn, your network, your career, they can all become assets that work for you. Not just when you're in crisis, but every single day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you will be the first to see the next one.